Boys, I'm having a whale of a time here today. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's John and today I'm sorting out this back lane. It's been falling away to one side and the rain seems to keep washing the stones here at the right hand side away. So I'm going to try and level it off, because especially down here, if you try to drive down with the Jeep, sometimes you can see there that there's a bit of a height difference and you can catch the sump of the Jeep. So we're going to level this off. I'm going to get the digger out, change the bucket, and we're going to pull some of these stones back up and try and especially fill this gap down here, as you can see. So we'll get that sorted and we'll see how we get on. First of all, we need to change the bucket. So set off these pallet forks, then hook out the bucket and get the pin in, and that'll be her ready to go. We'll head down the lane then and start a bit of work. You can sit back and relax and enjoy the video. We're halfway through there, we're sort of coming around to it a wee bit there now. I'll get out and have a look and see how we're getting on. We're getting there. It's levelling out a wee bit, so you should be able to get the Jeep down there now. It's a wee bit rough here because I'm still picking up. Stones seem to have washed more towards this side, but there's plenty of stones there, can still scrape back. But we're getting there. Some crackies now. I do this every day, you know, but you can't always do it. A Hitachi with a Scott bucket on it. It's not really the right bucket for the job. It's a wee bit wide for what I like to work with. I don't normally work with diggers, so I wouldn't be that good at it, but it's worth a try. There's new tracks put on her there, or a new chain put on her there last year. But it's EX60. She's been around a bit, but boy, she comes in useful for around the yard. The glass is broken the windscreen there, but it's not too bad because it's parked inside all the time. So that's your start, and gets her going, and then there's your redials, and then here's your revs. Depends how hard you're looking to go, and your speeds there, and everything, your temperature. There's your air con if you want it, but yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I certainly enjoyed it, getting to play around with the digger. It's not often I get to do that, so it's good fun to get out on it. But look, if you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe. And now it's time to shift the fence for the cows are standing roaring at. See everybody again, and see you next Friday. Thank you, bye.